The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a tornado warning for northwestern San Mateo County in Northern California, San Francisco County in Northern California, until 6:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5:51 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Daly City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near San Francisco, Daly City, South San Francisco, and Pacifica around 5:55 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Tacoma, Broadmoor, and Brisbane. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows and protect yourself from flying debris. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.